In this segment, we will discuss the Feed Once button for the 554 series Rola-Chem controller. The Feed Once button can be used both in ORP and pH modes. This is a helpful troubleshooting option to determine if the feeders are working. First, verify that the feed time is properly set for the mode you want to test. pH feed time is 6 seconds. Feed once, the controller will feed for 6 seconds. ORP feed time is 6 seconds. Feed once, it's going to run for 6 seconds. Verify that the feed time is properly set for the mode you want to test. Then while in that mode, ORP or pH mode, press the Feed Once button. The feed will run for the complete feed time. Note that the Feed Once button will not feed if the feed time setting is continuous or off. We hope this maintenance made easy video helped you. Should you have additional questions, please visit our website for additional videos or contact your local Rola-Chem products dealer or call us at Rola-Chem Customer Service.